What's up, everybody? Travis Ventrella here with the one and only Paul Getter. Paul Getter has done phenomenal things in the industry. He's had tremendous success. He has a multi-million-dollar ad agency, and it's absolutely phenomenal to have him on the call. He's also worked with and done stuff and was with, people like behind the screen. And Paul, if you want to explain some of these people you are with.
Yeah. So there's Ty Lopez, also known as the guy here in my garage. Worked with him, business partners. Grant Cardone, 10X. Worked with him in various capacities. Gary V, met with him, talked with him, cool guy. Let's see,
Kevin Harrington.
Kevin Harrington, the original Shark, and the comedian, I think his name is Mike. Tim Story, matter of fact, just talked to Tim today. Awesome guy, do a lot of work with him. Who else? Les Brown,
my man.
You got to be hungry.
We've been listening to him on our morning runs every morning, 5:30 a.m.
Uncle Les. Yep. So
then that's a picture of you.
Yeah, in Ty Lopez's garage there. So Alex.
And then I think this is the last one.
Yeah, Dr. Alex Mayer with Mentor Box, done over $1 billion in ads. I've worked with him, and so yeah, I've been fortunate, been blessed to work with a lot of cool people.
That is so awesome. And for everyone watching this right now, I mean, the reality is we are living in some pretty serious times, but also a time to capitalize, make things happen, and have great results. And so, Paul, you've been in this industry for only, I have no idea how long, but I know it's been a good time. And you've seen everything: internet marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing, website stuff, Shopify, e-com. I mean, The list goes on and on. Real estate. I mean, I'm sure you could name countless things that you've seen and done. And so bringing it kind of to the e-com space, you have recently went through Marketplace Magic, one of our courses, and the concept is pretty simple. Now, what would you tell to everyone watching this right now? I mean, maybe they've never made money online before. What kind of, within your first day, what were some of the results you were able to see, and how easy was this?
Yeah. So, one of the things back in about August or September, I got into this passion project where I wanted to find things that I could legitimately show people how to make money online. And I wanted to give them tools that they could use that, it didn't cost them a lot of money to get started, and it wasn't very complicated, because for me, I do Facebook ads, I build funnels, I do webinars. And for the average person, that might be too much for them to get into, and it can be kind of overwhelming. So I wanted to find things that were quick and easy, and that people could get results quickly. And so that's how I connected with you on Marketplace Magic. The concept, number one, you don't need any money to get started. That was kind of like one of the factors that I really like about Marketplace Magic is you don't need it. Sometimes you start up an e-commerce store, you have to buy all kinds of merchandise, you have to run ads. And so you got to have some capital to get started. With Marketplace Magic, you don't need that. Then number two, you don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to build a website. You don't have to do coding. You don't have to run ads or anything like that. It's a quick, simple copy paste type of program that anybody can do and get results. So I went through the videos and I started, again, if I'm going to refer people to this, I want to know this works for myself. So I went through your videos, went through the training, and I started doing exactly what you said. I was getting pictures from one site, posted it on Facebook Marketplace and other networks, and literally did exactly what you said. And within 2 or 3 days, I had people messaging me. My inboxes were full, and I started selling stuff. And I think I sent you a picture of the stack of cash that I made within a couple days. And it was just,
I think it was literally the first day, man.
Yeah. Within the first day, it was this. I'm going through the training, and I'm doing exactly what you're saying, and people are messaging me, and I'm getting results. And then I took one Saturday, and I really put extra effort into it, and I thought it was interesting because, you know, after seeing some of your points and everything like that, I'm like, I'm going to try something that I didn't try the first time. And I posted it, and within 15 minutes of posting stuff, I got altogether probably about a $200 or $300 profit on some things that I within.
That's so awesome.
Yeah, it was so exciting. So exciting.
That is so awesome. Now, Paul, there are people, again, watching this video who are from all walks of life. Why should they join the community, the course, the culture of Marketplace Magic? What will it mean for them?
Yeah, well, so number one, it's not one of these get rich quick things. It is a real skill that you can make money. And if you want to make $50 extra a day, you can do that. If you want to put in some extra time, again, you know, and I know that there's people making hundreds, $300, $400, $500 a day doing stuff like this, putting these principles into action. So it works. And that's, for me, the number one thing is you got to be able to get results. And again, it didn't take me much time once I started putting these principles into action to start making money. So it legitimately works. You don't have to have a lot of money to get started. For that matter, you don't need any money to get started. You just start taking action and you can get results. So it works. You don't have to be tech savvy or anything like that. You can, anybody can do this. So all of those things makes this a winning course.
That is so awesome. Paul, thank you so much for taking the time to do this. And everyone watching this video right now, you want more information on how to get started, go ahead and click the link below this video, and we will see you on the inside. Thank you so much for everyone watching, and we are excited to see your results.